Hey kids! Welcome to Kids Progress! Today we're diving into our ABC craft time. Ready to have some fun and learn your ABCs? Let's go! A is for apple. Grab some red and green paper, crayons, and glue. Cut out a big red circle for the apple and a small green leaf. Stick the leaf on top and color in your apple. Yum! B is for butterfly. Use colorful paper and scissors to cut out two big wings. Draw some fun patterns on them, then glue them together in the middle with a small body shape. Flutter, flutter, C is for cat. Get some brown paper and cut out a head shape. Draw two triangle ears and stick them on top. Don't forget to draw a cute kitty face with whiskers. Meow. D is for dog. Use white and black paper. Cut out a dog face, ears, and a black nose. Glue them together and draw two big eyes. Woof, woof. E is for elephant. Grab some gray paper and make a big body with a long trunk. Cut out two big ears and glue them on. Add some eyes and a smile. Trumpet sound. And finally, F is for fish. Use blue paper and cut out a fish shape. Add some fins and a tail. Draw scales and a big eye. Splash, splash. Great job, kids. You did amazing with your ABC crafts. Don't forget to show your creations to your family and friends. Keep crafting and learning with Kids Progress. See you next time. Bye.